I guess one of the big challenges that's faced in our market today is the lack of skilled labour. So we are seeing a decline in skilled labour, so the drive towards automating the process makes it a lot easier for our customers, and that's the key challenge that they face. AIMS Connect really is a great way of bringing our customers into that digital world. It really puts a step-by-step process. This is what we're going to do. We're going to measure these key features and then track it. So we really, in a real-time environment, can track every aspect of the tool, and what we're measuring, what we're compensating. We can look at what is my wheel wear, how can we make sure that it's a lot more accurate, reduce scrap. We're able to increase efficiency through, obviously measurement, compensation, the improvement on quality. So what it does is obviously when we automate it, we remove that manual intervention and we obviously are able to improve the quality. AIMS Connect really is putting strong process in place. So from manufacturing the first tool to doing the inspection and compensation and keeping that whole process consistent. The compensation process and measurement really is fundamental to AIMS, and I think that's what Anchor does. We obviously partner with Zola, which is a fantastic partner for us, and really measuring and compensating is key to AIMS. The common misconception here is that AIMS or AIMS Connect is for the big tier 1 suppliers, which is not true. In my experience, everybody would benefit from AIMS. Even from AIMS Connect starting in that process, if you have new employees or new staff and you want to train them up, using AIMS Connect can really stabilise the process, and you don't need to be a big tier 1 company to do that. You see straight away the benefits, I guess, with AIMS Connect and AIMS Automate. The customers automatically see efficiency gains, machine uptime, and really we're looking at every aspect of the production process, and then how can we speed that up? How can we make sure that it's a lot more accurate, reduce scrap? So that's really the key part. It's the key challenge that our customers are facing today.